Jor Jeth Karwala, along with Tinne Gabru, my husband, and his two brothers, all have gone to Lam in their prime. Holi holi tur gadiye, mera mahi basre nu chalya. O train depart ever so slowly, because my loved one is on his way to Basra. I should mention that all these two-liners have been translated with the assistance of Mughal and the Greek for there. गल कुर्ता टसरे दा हौली हौली चल गड्डिए विच मुसाफिर बसरे दा. The first line of this, the first few lines is just rhyming like kurta tasre da, the tussar shirt warm. It is not connected as such with the rest of the words. He wears a tussar shirt, the train moves slowly, you have a passenger bound for Basra. Mera lik randiyan vich nama Basre nu jaan wala. Better to enter my name amongst the widows, you the one who is off to Basra. सुता उठया मकई कोलों रब करे लाम तुरटे मुड़ आवे बंबई को. He woke up sleeping in the cornfield. May God the war ends and he comes back from Bombay before sailing.